What time do you wake up, Sarah?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do yoga for 15 minutes.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus every day.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you bring lunch to school?
Yes, I bring a sandwich and some fruit.
Do you do your homework every day?
Yes, I finish my homework in the evening.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read and listen to music.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball after school.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Finding Nemo.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I read every night before bed.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy painting and gardening.
What do you do on weekends?
I spend time with my family and friends.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza and pasta.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
What job do you want in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
What is your favorite season?
I like spring because of the flowers.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I like buying clothes.
What type of music do you like?
I enjoy pop music.
Are you learning any new languages?
Yes, I am learning Spanish.
What is your favorite animal?
I love cats.
Do you like going to the beach?
They are so cute.
What type of books do you read?
I like reading mystery novels.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedy shows.
Which subject is difficult for you?
Math is a bit challenging for me.
Do you help with house chores?
Yes, I help with the dishes.
What exercise do you like?
I like jogging in the park.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can make pasta and salads.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Emma.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
How many hours are you at school?
I am at school for 6 hours.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Do you prefer books or movies?
I prefer books because they are detailed.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
No, I drink juice.
Do you have a part-time job?
No, I don't. But I want one.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Saturdays because I relax.
Do you spend much time on the phone?
Yes, mostly for messaging friends.
Are you learning a new skill?
Yes, I am learning to play the guitar.